Hello and welcome to Rathod's IAS. Today in this class, we are going to discuss how to structure an answer for a question which is given in your UPSC 2023 from your ethics. So ethics comes under your GS paper 4 and you will be having only one subject and it will carry 250 marks. So getting good marks in ethics is very important. And especially many students, they have doubt and confusion regarding how to answer quote based questions. So every year, yes, you can get 2 to 3 questions in your question paper based on the quotes. So here we are going to take one quote based question that appeared in recent your UPSC means, and we are going to structure our answer, and even we are going to connect this topic with the current affairs as well. Okay, and this mains is very important to clear your UPSC. So if you are getting good marks in your mains, then no one will stop to see your name in the final list. So mains is a challenging thing and it is a deciding factor. You have to keep this in your mind. So whenever you are starting your preparation, you have to start your answer writing practice also. So let us see the question which is appeared in our recent mains UPSC 2023. That is, to awaken the people, it is the woman who must be awakened. Once she is on the move, the family moves, the village moves, the nation moves. So this question indirectly asking about women empowerment. It is talking about women empowerment. Okay. So here this quote is given by Jawaharlal Nehru. So first, in our structuring of answer, we will be writing in IBC format. Correct? So in introduction, what can you write? So directly you can write about what is this women empowerment or why we need women empowerment, you can write. And next one is you can even talk about awakened women. What is the meaning of awakened women? Okay. Or else you can also explain what is this quote talking about. So in these 3 ways you can write your introduction. So first is about women empowerment and importance of women empowerment. And next one is you can write about this quote, what this quote is talking about. And even you can write about what exactly meaning of awakened women. So this is about our introduction. And in body, what you have to write? You have to address like, so how women empowerment will leads to moving of a family or empowering of a family. That means you can write from individual level. Okay. So I will show you how to write body here. So in body you have to take like or write these points like how this women empowerment will be helpful at individual level, for a family, and at village level, and finally at the national level. That means nothing but how women empowerment leads to contribution to our nation, contribution to village, contribution to family. And one more thing here is wherever you are answering your ethics, you have to include examples. So examples of famous personalities that you can see in news or any famous personality from our Indian freedom struggle. So those examples that you can add. So without writing examples, it is waste. Okay, so try to focus on examples. So in this way, you can address your body. And finally, you can conclude like, so because of all these above reasons, empowerment of women is necessary for empowering of individual, empowering of family, empowering of village, and as well as nation. So it is a simple conclusion that you can write. So now let us try to see the model answer for this question. This is the model answer for that same question. So introduction, as I said, you can simply explain this quote. So this quote, it is talking about women empowerment and how this women empowerment is related to the family, society and nation. And you can also add one quote here. This is one of my favorite quote, that is, if you educate a man, you educate an individual, but if you educate a woman, you educate a nation. So like that you can write. And you can also write about what is the meaning of women empowerment. Women empowerment can be defined as promoting women's sense of self-worth, their ability to determine their own choices, and their right to influence social change for themselves and others. So you can write what is women empowerment. Okay, either this or this, because you will be not having that much time and even word limit, right? So you can write either this or that. So in body you can write about how awakened women will leads to the prosperity of nation. So because women, they are the first point they will come in contact with their child. So because of this, women plays a very important role in the developing of character of the children. And today's children are tomorrow's citizens, right? For example, you can write about the role of Swarupa Rani, who cultivated the cultural values in Jawaharlal Nehru. And even you can give examples of mother of Thomas Alva Edison, right? And next one is women awakening is crucial for social capital development also. Okay, and if there is any broken family, if there is lack of care, and if there is a lack of proper child care, or if there is no proper character development in the child, that will leads to the negative impacts on society. For example, a heinous Delhi gang rape case incident that you can write. And here you have to see how this woman plays an important role in village, family and nation. So for example, in family, women plays a very crucial role. For example, women plays a role in social cohesion, integration and maintaining of nutrition, health of a family here, right? So actually child's future health will be depending on the proper nutrition the first 1000 days. That means the first 3 years of their age. And at that time, women plays a very important role. Particularly, mother will be taking a lot of care regarding the nutrition of the child. And at the village level, role of women is very much crucial for the economic development. So for example, in Kerala, so they came up with this SHG, that is self-help group, okay, programs of Kerala. And next one is at national level. So women with approximately half of population in India, and if we are going for skill development and empowering of this women, then that will lead to increasing of our GDP as well. Because as of now, the work which is done by women like child care, elderly care and taking care of home, that is not accounted in our GDP. So this is one important thing. And next one is social awakening. So whenever we are going for fighting against the social evils and fighting for the social rights of women, for example, Kalpana Dutt, she contributed for this women rights movement in India, and that led to the movement towards education and empowerment of women. So like this, you can take examples of women who participated in our Indian freedom struggle as well. And even for economic empowerment also, women plays a very important role. So if these women are allowed to go out and to do work outside with a proper security, then yes, they will contribute a lot to the development of our country. And even we are focusing on this political empowerment because women, they already played a very important role in our Indian politics. For example, Indira Gandhi. So Indira Gandhi, she took very tough decisions during this Indo-Pakistan war, and as well as balancing of relations with other countries like friendship treaty with USSR. So at the time of Indira Gandhi period. So in this way here, we can say, like in conclusion, so we can understand the health of a nation based on the women, right? Because the status of women depicts social, economic, mental condition of the nation. So addressing these issues, they are very much critical. So even though when we are focusing on empowerment, so we are facing challenges for this women empowerment. Like we can see gender inequality, sexual harassment, domestic violence, acid attacks, rapes, okay, what not. So these are some challenges that we are seeing in our society. Yes, we have to address these issues. So in this way, you can end your answer. So this is the modal answer for this question. And now I want to show you the paper which is written by one of our student. Okay, so this is the question. So the question is same. To awaken the people, it is the woman who must be awakened. Once she is on the move, the family moves, village moves, the nation moves, says Jawaharlal Nehru. So here, let us try to see what are the mistakes done by the students or how the so-and-so student presented this answer. So here, the first mistake I found is no identification of sub-questions. No identification of sub-questions in the question. And there is no need of writing introduction there. Because author will know that the first paragraph, it is your introduction, right? So women is the first agency of socialization of any child, and only awakened women can create a difference in family, village and national level. Okay, so in this answer, student wrote about just what is the role of awakened women. Okay, and next student wrote about body, but there is no need of writing body also here. So what is awakened woman? So awakened woman means woman who is aware of self, and this means she is aware of inherent capabilities of production, care, compassion, management and sacrifice. So this is the meaning of awakened woman. Okay, very good. And next one is role of women in awakening of family. Self-awareness can help in awakening the family because she has highest impact on the family members through emotional bonds. Yes, she can bring the change in the family members because she will be having the bonds. For example, the mother of Thomas Alva Edison. And next one is role of women in awakening the village. Awakened women can lead the villagers to raise their concerns like Chipko movement. So the villages also, yes, women plays a very important role. And even you can add about the 73rd and 74th Constitutional Amendment Act, which talked about reservation, 33% of reservation for women. So even we had passed this women reservation bill. So reservation for women in Lok Sabha and as well as State Legislative Assembly, so that now the issues of women will be heard more. And this one is role of women in awakening at national level. Like here, awakened women can also create awareness at the national level and international level. For example, Malala Yousaf. Okay, but it is not much clearly written. So here we can write we need more elaboration with examples. We need more elaboration with suitable examples. So you have to explain the things. So the things which had not been explained properly here. Just examples they given, just they gave the headings, that's it. And there is no need of writing even conclusion as well. So thus it is clear that awakening of women can help in progress at the national level. So how you felt, whether this answer address a demand of question or not? So according to me, it has been addressed only 50%. So it didn't said like how it is contributing at the national level. So it said that at national level, international level it is heard, but how? And this also, okay. So because of this, it is not completely addressing the demand. So we need much content and we need some more examples to support this arguments that you are making. So this is the modal answer, and as well as the answer which is written by one of our student. So this is not a best answer that I can say, but I want to show like, so in this way also students are writing their answers. But introduction is good and awakening of women is also well addressed, but the body at village level, individual level, national level, which had been not addressed properly in this so and so answer. If you want to improve your answer writing skills and if you are facing fear of writing answer, yes, you can come and join this mains answering course that we are providing in this Rathod Science Academy. So every month in the first week, we are going to start this daily mains answering program new batch. So here, the key highlights of this course is, so we are covering entire your GS syllabus. GS includes GS1, GS2, GS3, GS4. So we are going to give you 1 year detailed schedule. So as per that schedule, daily one question will be given to you on weekdays and on Sundays you will be having case study or essay practice. So how this program will work? So I will explain you. So first of all, we will give you this 1 year schedule, and based on that schedule daily one question will be given to you, and you are going to write answer for that so and so question, and you are going to send this answer to our Gmail. So that evaluation will be done, and we are going to give you a very detailed feedback, like what you wrote, what should be written. So if there is anything that you can add, we are going to give that, and how you are presenting, like whether you are drawing the maps or flow charts, diagrams, etc. that will be also seen, and based on that we are going to give you a detailed feedback. And we are also going to provide you the model answer for you. Okay, so you can see the model answer as well and feedback, so that you can improve your answer writing. So here, what are the highlights of this course? So here entire your GS will be completed within 1 year if you are following strictly that schedule that we are providing. And there we are also giving you the micro listing of topics. So you will be having no doubt regarding which topic that I should read from this topic. And next one here is, we are also going to give you model answer so that you can download them and you can save, so that you can use for your future also. And next one is, there will be detailed evaluation of your answers, and on every Sunday at 7 p.m. you will be having live class. So in that live class we are going to discuss some important questions, like how to structure answers for those questions, and as well as which content that you have to write in that so and so question. And we are also having online essay practice or case study practice, and even we are going to discuss your doubts, and that will be our one-to-one mentorship sessions. And for all these things, the cost of this course is 8,200 rupees for 1 year. So even if you can't pay that amount in one go, you can pay in 2 installments. So if you have any query regarding this course, you can call me on this number, that is 8074765513. And now this October batch is going to be started from 9th of October. You can join this course. Okay, so you can visit this Rathores IAS Academy website, and there you can join. Or else if you have any problem with the website, you can call me on this number, or you can text me on this number in the WhatsApp. And there we are going to have the live classes, and we are going to meet on the Zoom sessions, so that you can also raise voice to clear your doubts. To join the course, you can visit the website rathoresIASacademy.com. So if you are visiting for the first time, you have to click on this login or register, and so that you can direct it to this page. So you should not give directly your mail ID and password here. So you should click on this do not have account, and you have to register for the first time. After registering, you can log in with your mail ID and password. And later on you can click on this courses and course list. So here these are the courses that we are offering in this Rathores IAS Academy. So here we have this daily mains answer writing course here, and you can click here for the joining of this course. And if you have any problem with this website, you can call me on this number 8074765513. And this is also WhatsApp number, so that you can text me on WhatsApp also. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this class, and please do like, share and comment, and even subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.